You're welcome back and many thanks for staying with us. The Assembly of University Trained Teachers of Ghana today took to some principal streets in Accra to express their frustration at what they described as government refusal to recruit them into the Ghana Education Service. Speaking to us, some members revealed that they have been unemployed as far back as 2011.
We want to tell the whole world that there are teachers that have completed school since 2010, 2011, up to now.
School, but the
universities, yeah. They have not recruited us. Meanwhile, there are vacancies. Research shows that there are about 35,000 vacancies that need to be recruited by teachers. But yet, nothing good is coming from the above.
So they are fine jobs for themselves. When we look currently into Ghana, we have more than 110 ministers, and even one of their salary can pay about 10 of the graduates who are demonstrating today. So what are they trying to tell us? Fine, if the system is choked, then why is it that there are vacancies in the various schools? If there are vacancies in the various schools, then definitely the senior minister cannot tell us that the system is choked.
Let's see the kind of teachers who have choked up their classrooms. There are all kinds of unemployed teachers on the streets who are professionals by training. They are professionals. But these politicians will go and employ all manner of YEA staff who are polluting the mind of our children. So we are out to safeguard the future of the Ghanaian student, and that is what we are doing now. So government has no option but to employ our members to teach in the government schools across the country.
We know there are other avenues in terms of job, but the basic is to teach. But then, time with that number, we have tried to get into the GES. We know the government is the one which employs majority of the teachers, and then it has not been successful. So we've sent petition upon petition to the ministry, and no response.
So there are group teachers there. Well, receiving the petition on behalf of the Minister of Education, Deputy Minister for the sector, Barbara Issei, assured the group that the ministry will be inviting them over for a dialogue to look for a possible solution to the problem.
And we represent your best interest. We are the ministry working assiduously so that our young people can also or could be employed. So we don't sleep. So we are also concerned about the situation. We have a backlog of students who are home, and day in, day out, we are thinking of what to do so that our young people could get jobs. But you need to give us some time to make sure we all sit, together and come to a compromise. I believe that the ministry is doing a lot to make sure that there's going to be some form of recruitment very soon. I know that in no time there's going to be some form of recruitment, but I will not be the best position. I'm sure that if the minister gets this petition, he will come out to speak on the issue. All that I want to say is let's have some patience, because I know that we have a backlog. It's going to take time to be able to make sure they employ all the, how many years? About 3 years backlog. You understand?
Deputy Minister for Education there, Barbara Issei. Well, I have in the studio with me the teachers themselves. We could find out if what responses they're getting works for them. Samuel Yeboah Asare is the Deputy National Secretary. That's you? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Also with me here is Joshua Ankama. He is the PRO for the Assembly of University Trained Teachers, not unemployed.
No,
University Trained Teachers of Ghana.
Yeah.
Okay, you've heard what the Deputy Minister has said. Is it good for you enough?
Okay, thank you very much. I think what she has said, okay, that's what she has said. But we started this agitation not today and not top up with what we have.
Okay.
Which is woefully inadequate, because it cannot even pay up our loans we took to pay up our fees when we are in school. Some of us have taken student loans, others have contracted loans to pay up their fees, and now we are at home working and being paid by 150 cedis. A fellow at Osim is having diploma in maths and science. He teaches in a school where he is being offered 90 cedis
a month.
90 cedis a month.
Are there other allowances? Are there other?
No allowances. No allowances. Nothing at all, no allowance. It's just your mere salary that you have.
Finally, let me come to you, Mr. Sari. They have said that it appears that government has an issue because of the IMF program that we've been on. Are you aware of this? Has the ministry explained to you, explained that to you as part of the reason why they cannot take you on?
Yes, we are aware. But if our authorities are saying because of the IMF embargo, they are not ready to recruit teachers, then why are they still recruiting the graduates from the colleges of education?
Okay.
Are we not on a same level as they are? Or are they different from us? Didn't we perceive the same education programs in the tertiary institutions?
Okay.
So what are they actually trying to tell us?
Okay, right. Well, I don't know. I don't have the answer. But hopefully the ministry has the answer and will present it sooner than later. Well, I've been speaking with Samuel Yeboah Asare, who is the Deputy National Secretary of the Assembly of University Trained Teachers, of course, and also Joshua Ankama, who is the PRO. Hopefully we'll hear some good news before the 2 weeks end, because we don't know what plans you have. Obviously, you have not shared that with us. But we're still